Message. What's up, y'all? JoJo here. Make sure you like, subscribe, share your boy content. If you're new to the channel, make sure you check out my other videos to catch up on my personality. Alright, so today, right now, I decided to make this quick video because I'm on Snapchat and I'm actually doing something that you guys probably did not know of. So if you're on Snapchat, which I'm on right now, and you go to your subscription area where I'm scrolling, basically these people right here, if they don't have that yellow circle near their name, that means they are not following you. And how you can determine they're not following you, besides looking at the subscription area, you can just hold their profile account down, and then whatever their username is, which is this, for this example, is Pinto or whatever, he don't have a number underneath. Basically, he don't have a Snapchat score, so I can't see his Snapchat score, which means he's not following me back. So in order for me to eliminate him from my my Snapchat friends, all you will have to do is hold down the username or the picture of your choice, click their user, and then to your right you see these three dots right underneath the battery if you have an iPhone, and then you have these three red options: report, block, or remove friends. All you will have to do is click remove friends, right? And that's how you know if somebody's either not following you or yeah, basically that's the one option. To know if somebody is following you, all you will have to do is go to your top where it shows friends, hold it down, and if somebody's like this person right here, they're following me back, and their Snapchat score is 488. And I'm thinking about dropping another Snapchat video about how to increase your Snapchat score as well. But for now, this video is how to delete your Snapchat friends, and that's what I'm in the process of doing. So I'm gonna continue to remove all the friends as much as I can. Snapchat do stop you at amount. See, as you can see, since I've been already doing it, Snapchat basically stops you and tell you that you basically gotta log back in, or you gotta wait a couple hours to continue, removing the friends that are no longer following you. If you're new to, like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go check out, if you came to this video only for Snapchat, make sure you go check out my other Snapchat videos. And I will be creating a custom Snapchat group where whoever decides to follow that account will be able to be a part of a group, so they can just add so they can just add one another, and you can increase your Snapchat views or following that way. Because every time you get on YouTube, you want to know how to increase your views. Why not join a group to increase your views? You feel me? A Snapchat group at that. So make sure you like, subscribe, share your boy content. This JoJo.